The wait is finally over for users eagerly anticipating Android 14, which is based on US 6.0. This new version is almost here and brings in much awaited and life-saving feature at Galaxy flagships in 2023. The feature allows smartphones to save lives in areas without connectivity by utilizing satellite connectivity. Apple was the first to implement this feature, and it has already proven its worth, saving numerous lives. Recently, there was a case where a man was rescued after being stranded in Alaska, and two women were saved after getting stranded in British Columbia, all thanks to satellite connectivity. This life-saving feature is now being added by Google in Android 14 and will be available on the latest Pixel and Galaxy flagships. Phones equipped with Snapdragon Agent 2 will have access to satellite connectivity, making it one of. Samsung is making smartphone users happy by expanding the One UI 6.0 beta to more markets than ever before. This update will be available not only for the S3 series but also for other devices like the S22, S21, and Galaxy A lineup, reaching a wider audience. The rollout is on track with Samsung's July 26 Unpacked event, where they will unveil the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Teaser trailers for the event show that the Flip 5 will fold completely flat, and we can expect a similar design for the Z Fold 5. Samsung is introducing a brand new hinge for these devices, promising an innovative and sleek user experience. Samsung is taking performance to the next level by developing DDR7 RAM, a breakthrough in memory technology. Samsung is the first brand to complete the development of DDR7 RAM, which promises 40% more bandwidth compared to DDR6 RAM, while being 20% more power efficient. This advancement will not only benefit future consoles, laptops, and PCs, but also smartphones. It is speculated that one of the first products to use Samsung's DDR7 RAM could be NVIDIA's RTX 50 series GPU, hinting at significant graphical improvements in future devices. The introduction of DDR7 RAM is an exciting development that will undoubtedly enhance the overall performance of electronic devices. Android 14, with its life-saving satellite connectivity, the expanded beta release of One UI 6.0, and Samsung's groundbreaking DDR7 RAM development are significant milestones in the world of technology. These advancements promise to elevate user experiences and bring a new level of efficiency and convenience to our daily lives. With such exciting innovations on the horizon, it's clear that the tech industry continues to push the boundaries of what's possible.